Hi, Be. So, yeah. Hindi ako. Talaga kanina pa ako hindi pa ako kanina pa ako hindi mapakali. I need to read. Dapat magla-live ako sa main account ko. Sa aking account na ako, andun ako. Which is makikita nyo ako lagi doon naka-live. Hindi ko pa kaya mag-live dito sa account na to kasi wala pa akong followers dito sa account na to. And this is a new account. So, kung umabot man to sa FYP nyo, congrats. This message is for you. So, yeah. Let's see. Okay, lumabas siya. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. Okay. 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 Oh. Nice. Medyo andito ulit yung travel card. Anyway, so, actually, I see someone here na nasa in the dark siya, ha? In these two cards. Okay, in these two cards, nasa dark siya. Insomnia, overthinking, anxiety, fear, hopeless. Yun ang napapansin niya sa life niya for the past few days, past few months. Napapagod na rin siya to fight. Ah? Alam mo yun, malapit na siya mag-give up sa life niya. Oh. Hindi siya kontento sa kung anong meron siya. Hindi niya makita yung mga offers sa kanya. Look, you have something for you, especially on money. I can see this. Or anything. Hindi lang siya money, pwede din siyang new house, business. You're thinking about that, but you're not actually, ano tawag dun? Hindi mo siya actually makita or pinagdududahan mo yung sarili mo. But don't fear it, okay? You're the empress, so, okay? It's so pretty. The card is pretty. Overall, don't let your emotions control your things. Ayan, nakuha ko siya. Your emotions are high, okay?